Hi guys, we received this modern Sputnik lamp for repairing purposes. So let's open it up, see what comes inside. It comes really well protected with lots of foam, which is really nice. And first thing we see is the user manual. Let's see. These are for the lamp. Okay. There's a ceiling fixture. You can put it on sloped ceilings. As you can see, this can be adjusted. Got a little bit of strength. You can adjust it to the inclination of your ceiling. This is the proper lamp. Okay. This is a cable, the main unit. And I'm gonna start assembling it. Okay. Okay, so as you can see now, I have it already installed and put some light bulbs. As you can see, I have still a lot of light bulbs that I have put, but it's just tested to see how it looks, and it looks really nice. It's very bright. Obviously, with all the light bulbs, it will be brighter, but it's really nice, really easy to install, which is something great. And I will really recommend it. It's elegant, it's perfect for your kitchen, your dining room, your wherever you want to put it. It's a great option and I will really recommend it. See ya!